Today in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 amazing and powerful techniques to enhance your communication skills. So make sure to watch this video till the very end, and if you're watching me first time, make sure to subscribe this channel for such amazing videos in the future. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's deep dive into the video. Whatever you are doing in your career, you may have different streams, different field, but everyone must have good communication skills, because having good communication skills gives you chances, opportunities to thrive more, to grow more in your own field. And having good communication skills is the basic requirement for any field nowadays. Wherever you are going for any interview in any field, the first point is that if you are a good communicator, you must have good, impactful, effective communication skills. 5 amazing and powerful strategies that will enhance your communication skill. So it might sound basic, but it is not. It is actually effective and powerful. So now let's begin with the first strategy that is really important. That is, take 2 seconds pause whenever you are answering. So if someone is questioning you, any question, anything is someone asking you, you must take a 2-second pause before answering. Now, why I'm asking you is that this is the power of communication. When you take 2 seconds, it sounds more effective and fluent when you'll be speaking after taking 2 seconds pause. It sounds you more confident and natural. So make sure whenever you are answering someone, you are interacting with someone, you are taking 2 seconds pause before speak out. Now moving to the next point, that is, ask less, listen more. Whenever you are interacting with someone, you are having conversation, make sure that you are listening more to the person than asking questions, because people like those who shows genuine interest, genuine curiosity to their topic, what they are talking about. Talking about the third point, and truly I personally love it a lot, and it is really impactful. Now, it is when you are interacting with someone, you have to call that person with that person's name. So always call a person with his or her name. Now it shows connection. It actually builds connection instantly and gives you attention when you call someone with his or her name. Always make sure when you are calling someone, you are using that person's name. It will give you amazing impact in your conversation and give you attention immediately. Always matching the energy with the person you are talking, because when you match the energy, it means that you are connected with the person, you get into the conversation deeper, and then you have impactful and effective communication. So always make sure you match the energy accordingly, like excited to excited and calm to calm similarly. Now this is the last point, but this point is really powerful. When you end up the conversation, you just talked about something, you make sure that you leave that conversation with powerful sentence. If I'm saying in questioning tone, it means that I'm doubting myself and I'm not speaking with confidence. Whenever you are ending up the conversation, make sure that you use sentences with confidence, not with questions. The example that I've just given, I think it is right. You think it is right, like there must not be question mark. And if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe this channel for such amazing videos in the future. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet you in the next videos.